Hey guys, welcome to the adventures of Carlienne, where we're always pursuing our passions, working hard every day to improve ourselves. So today it's our 3-month check-in on both the misos we made earlier this year. We have a sweet and a salty. If you didn't catch that video, click the link above and yeah, check it out so you can get started on your own homemade miso paste. Today we're just gonna be checking if it has any mold, removing that mold, mixing it up, repacking it so it can ferment for another 3 months. And yeah, that'll be the next check-in we have. So let's get into the kitchen. Let me show you what the procedure is at the 3-month mark after you make your miso paste. And yeah, let's go. So you're gonna take your miso that's been fermenting for 3 months, take it out of its packaging, take the lid off, take the weight off the top. You're gonna see a little liquid right on the top. They call that tamari. It's really tasty. Save it if you got a lot of it. Then you're gonna remove all of the mold from the top with a chopstick, with a spoon, whatever, and you're gonna get to mix in. Pretty much get the bottom to the top, the middle to the outsides, whatever. Then you're gonna repack it as tight as you can. Take out all the air. We don't want any of the mold to grow in the middle of the whole mix. You're gonna wipe the sides off, then take a sheet of plastic wrap and put that nice and tight right on top of the mixture. I like to take a piece of cardboard right on top of that, as well as an extra layer of sealing. Then I'll put more weights right on top of that cardboard. This time I used some rocks because I wanted it to be a little heavier. Put the top on, seal it up, put it in its bag, and store it in a cool, dry place. So that's it for our 3-month check-in of this miso paste. So obviously this miso isn't ready yet, and the longer it ferments, the better it'll become. And at the 6-month mark, you might be able to use some of the sweet miso if you've made a sweet miso at home. But yeah, just keep it tucked away, fermenting for a year at least. So that's it. That's all you need to do. We'll do this again at the 6-month mark. And yeah, let us know in the comments if you're making your own miso, or if you're not, let us know your favorite miso brands that you guys like to use. And yeah, you can even directly message us on the Cene app, be part of our community there. Yay. All the links to this video are in the description, what we used, all the things. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.